Simple ways to help hair grow longer. All women want to have long and thick hair. It always looks attractive and feminine. That is why we do everything to improve the condition of our locks. Fortunately, today we have many ways and opportunities to do this. Nowadays there are many different ways to make your hair thick, shiny and silky. Many women visit their hairdresser regularly and go through all the different procedures. Others prefer home remedies which are completely safe and natural. Anyway, all of these methods are effective. The main point here is to choose the best methods. Today we are going to help you. Here are 7 easy ways to make your hair grow long and thick. Number 1. A good shampoo is important. Many women don't pay special attention to the shampoo they choose. This is a big mistake. You should buy only chemical-free products for your hair. You should consult your hairdresser to help you choose the best shampoo and conditioner. Number 2. Hair wash. There are women who think that the more often they wash their hair, the better it is. The truth is that you shouldn't wash your hair regularly. Washing your hair daily can damage your hair. So, 2-3 times a week will be enough. Number 3. The temperature. You should know that the temperature of the water also has an impact on your hair. Water that is too hot can be rather harmful for it. It's better to wash your hair in cold water to keep it healthy and smooth. Number 4. Comb and brush. In general, we don't pay special attention to the brushes and combs we choose. However, it's very important for the health of your hair. The best thing is to choose combs rather than brushes. It will be even better if the comb you choose is made of wood. Number 5. Don't neglect trimming. If you want to have long and healthy hair, you should trim it regularly. In this way you'll get rid of split ends and your hair will look fresh and shiny. The best thing is to trim your hair once every 1.5 to 2 months. Number 6. Healthy eating. Well, healthy foods always have a good impact on our body. It's not an exception in this case. You can influence your locks with a healthy diet to make your hair grow healthy and fast. You should consume fruits, veggies, nuts, and fish regularly.